Alright, we got some taste buds. We got some macaroni cheese, some collard green, some oxtails and rice. You wanna bite? You wanna bite? You wanna bite? You wanna bite? Mm-hmm. Macaroni cheese. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Collard greens, collard greens. Mm.